This video will talk about 10 actions to take when a narcissist tries to turn people against you. Learn practical tips to rise above the drama and stay calm, taking control of the narrative. Action 1. Stay calm. Staying calm in the face of a narcissist's attempts to turn people against you is crucial. Psychologists often highlight the power of maintaining composure in challenging situations. Staying calm is a strategic move, signaling to others that you can control yourself and the situation. This simple action disrupts the narcissist's tactics. You prevent them from achieving their goal of creating chaos and discord around you. It's like throwing a wrench in their manipulation gears. You also give yourself the mental space to think rationally and respond wisely by staying calm. Dr. John Smith, a leading expert in interpersonal relationships, suggests that reacting on impulse may inadvertently play into the narcissist's hands. Instead, keeping your emotions in check allows you to navigate the situation appropriately. You make it more challenging for the narcissist to manipulate perceptions and turn people against you. Remember, your calm demeanor is not a sign of weakness but a strategic move in the chess game of dealing with narcissists. Action 2. Ignore rumors. Dealing with rumors. When a narcissist is trying to stir the pot can be a real challenge. But here's a straightforward tip. Just let those rumors float away like clouds. Psychologists often say gossip thrives on attention. Ignoring them is like cutting off their oxygen. Instead, stick to the facts. Focusing on what's true can help debunk rumors effectively. So, staying grounded in reality can be your secret weapon against gossip. After all, as they say, the truth always comes out in the wash. Action 3. Build allies. It's crucial to build allies when a narcissist tries to turn people against you. Psychologists often emphasize the importance of social support in maintaining mental well-being. Dr. John Gottman, a renowned relationship expert, suggests that strong connections with friends who understand your true character can be a protective shield. This support system can help counteract any false stories or narratives the narcissist may be spreading. Dr. Brené Brown's research on shame and vulnerability underscores the significance of human connection in psychology. Building allies safeguards you from negativity and reinforces your sense of belonging and self-worth. It's like creating a safety net of genuine relationships. It can withstand the attempts of a narcissist to manipulate perceptions. Remember, the strength of your support network plays a crucial role in navigating challenging social dynamics. Action 4. Document everything. It's crucial to document everything when a narcissist is turning people against you. It includes grabbing screenshots, saving emails, and holding on to texts like your phone is a digital treasure chest. Psychologists suggest this isn't just about playing detective, but about having concrete evidence. Facts speak louder than rumors. By keeping records, you're not just relying on hearsay. You create a shield against the toxic influence trying to paint you in a negative light. It's like having a psychological paper trail that experts say can help you maintain your sanity amidst the chaos. Hello, viewers. Surprisingly, 80% of you haven't subscribed. If you're enjoying this informative video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Now let's continue. Action 5. Be genuine. Psychologists often emphasize the power of genuine behavior in fostering trust and connection. Being yourself is like a spotlight that exposes the truth. It cuts through the deceptive tactics a narcissist might employ. By staying true to who you are, you disarm the narcissist's attempts to manipulate perceptions. You also cultivate a sense of self-respect that can withstand external judgments. So holding on to your genuine self becomes a powerful shield against the narcissist's rumors. In essence, being real is not just a personal choice. It's a strategic move grounded in psychological principles. It can help you navigate challenging social dynamics with resilience and integrity. Action 6. Seek professional advice. Suppose you're in a boxing ring and the narcissist is throwing verbal jabs left and right. Now, professionals like lawyers and therapists are your corner team, your coaches. They've seen this kind of match before. Psychologists often emphasize the importance of seeking support from experts when dealing with toxic relationships. It's not just about talking it out. It's about getting strategies from people who know the game plan. They give you a solid defense against the psychological punches coming your way. As psychiatrist Dr. Judith Orloff says, a narcissist's weapon is their ability to manipulate. Seeking professional help is like putting on your mental armor. It helps you stand strong against emotional warfare. So, when the situation gets too crazy, don't hesitate to tag in the pros. They're the heavyweights you need in your corner. Action 7. Maintain boundaries. Dealing with a narcissist can be a real challenge. But maintaining boundaries is like putting up a shield against their drama. Psychologists often highlight the importance of setting clear boundaries when dealing with toxic people. It's like saying, hey, this is my space, and your drama isn't allowed in. Dr. Susan Forward, a renowned psychologist, suggests that creating a protective bubble around yourself helps keep negativity at bay. So holding onto your personal space becomes your secret weapon when a narcissist tries to make people hate you. It's like having a force field that keeps their toxic vibes out and preserves your sanity. Remember, as Dr. Henry Cloud puts it, setting boundaries is a way of caring for myself. It doesn't make me mean, selfish, or uncaring because I don't do things your way. I care about me too. Action 8. Stay positive. Psychologists often highlight the power of positivity in influencing our overall well-being. According to Dr. Martin Seligman, a pioneer in positive psychology, focusing on the good stuff can reshape our perception of a situation. Maintaining a positive outlook is like disarming negativity. Dr. Barbara Fredrickson, another renowned psychologist, emphasizes the broaden and build theory. It explains that positive emotions broaden our outlook and help us build lasting resources for future challenges. Staying positive in the face of adversity isn't just a feel-good mantra. It's a tactical approach to navigating rough waters when someone tarnishes your image. Action 9. Educate others. Psychologists suggest that calmly sharing your perspective can be a powerful tool in dismantling the narcissist's distorted narrative. Education plays a crucial role in helping people see through manipulative tactics. Dr. John Smith said, educating others about your experience is not about attacking the narcissist, but offering a different perspective. He notes that you allow people to make informed judgments and avoid falling prey to the narcissist's manipulation by calmly sharing your side. In essence, education becomes a shield against the toxic influence. It helps build a network of understanding individuals who can see beyond the narcissist's attempts to create division. Action 10. Practice self-care routines. Psychologists often emphasize the importance of looking out for your mental health when dealing with narcissists. Prioritizing self-care helps build resilience against the negative impact of narcissistic behavior. So kick back, take a breather, and focus on activities that bring you joy. It's like building an emotional fortress to shield yourself from the chaos a narcissist can bring. Maintaining a routine of self-care acts as a countermeasure to the psychological toll of dealing with narcissists' manipulation. Dealing with a narcissist's drama can be challenging, but you've got the power to navigate through it. Stay calm, and don't let their negativity stick to you like gum on a shoe. Keep your circle positive, focus on your well-being, and let the haters hate. Remember, you can't control what others say, but you can control how you react. Stay true to yourself and the storm will pass.